Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back from South Africa and better than ever. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial today because I was inspired by Nikki Makeup. If you guys don't follow her on Instagram, you must. She is incredible. Listening to her voice is like the most soothing thing in the whole entire world. And I haven't done my hair, I haven't gotten dressed, so here I am. But I was inspired makeup-wise, so I hope you guys accept me in my robe. Maybe it's a series. Get ready with me in my robe. Maybe it's not, maybe I'm just lazy. I don't know. But we are going to be doing this makeup look and that's all that matters. And I freaking love this lip for the holidays. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, then keep on watching. Boom. All right, I'm cozy, I'm feeling festive. Look at this. Look at this, okay? I love this look, so I wanna do something similar to that using some new stuff that I got. I'm feeling very casual. I don't even have an outfit on for this video. I'm just in my robe because this is the reality of me getting ready. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am gonna use some of the products she uses, but not really, because I do wanna use a lot of these new palettes that I have. So she did use the NARS base in medium to prime the eyes. And then I'm just gonna take a BH Cosmetics and BH Cosmetics brush and blend that out. I'm so excited to be back and filming makeup tutorials. I have literally not worn eyeshadow or makeup in at least 16 days, you guys. This is like the longest in history for me, but it has been so great. My whole trip in Africa, I literally just spot concealed if I needed to. I didn't even wear highlight. That's how serious it was. Sometimes when I do my no makeup looks, like I'll still wear a highlight, but no, I did not. I just felt so liberated. Let me curl these lashes because they're looking a little limp. I just got out of the shower too. I'm just letting my hair air dry. It's risky. You never know what you're gonna get when you let your hair air dry. I don't even know what my hair is. Is it curly? Is it straight? Is it damaged? I think all three. I will say letting it air dry in South Africa, South Africa just agreed with me. I loved it. Like, I just wanna live there in the bush. Doesn't happen here, but there, it was good. I'm gonna go into the Berries and Cream Kristen Dominique palette. This is the Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be taking Soft and Sweet, which is this color right over here, and I'm gonna be applying that into my crease. Yes, this color is perfect. I'm happy to be back because I do miss my dogs, I missed my family, but I highly recommend South Africa to anybody because it is incredible. I just feel refreshed. I feel revived. My mom's visiting right now and it's so nice to have her here. She lives in Utah, so I don't see her all the time. That's why she's not always in my snaps. When she comes to visit, it's just the best and I never want her to leave. I get so sad. So I'm just peer pressuring her to move back to LA. And if you guys are wondering where Thea has been in my snaps, she is living her best life in Mexico and I'm just wondering like, hello, when are you coming back? She was supposed to be back for Thanksgiving. That's what she promised me, but she called and was like, no, I'm good. Probably not gonna be back anytime soon. Do I remember how to do makeup anymore? I don't know, we'll see. Next, I'm gonna go into the Dream palette. This is the Sigma and Beauty Bird collaboration palette. And I'm gonna be picking up this hot pink shade right over here. It is called Ambidextrous. I'm taking a flat Sigma medium sweeper E54 brush. I'm gonna apply it on the outer part of the eye here. Wow, this is pigmented. And then I'm also gonna bring it into the crease. Next, I'm just gonna take a clean brush and really blend that pink shade into this outer V. Next, I'm going in with a little black. I'm using Blackberry, which is the black eyeshadow in the Kristen Dominique palette. And I'm gonna run that with a Sigma Shader Crease E47 brush. So I'm just gonna first run it along the lash line. Yes. Trying to give my eye a little lift. And then just also run that through the crease a little bit. It's gonna deepen everything. You guys, I miss having lash extensions. I really, really liked them this time around. They were a little bit different. They were more of an L shape. So instead of like going round, like, you know, lashes, they swoop down. But every time they swooped, I felt like they almost covered my eye a little bit because the swoop dipped down and like, I don't want to say made my eyes look droopy, but kind of like covered a portion of my eye with the swoop. Whereas the L, it just goes like straight and then up. So it opened my eyes up. Once I found out about this L-shaped lash extension, I was like, oh. Obviously they're all gone now, but when they lasted me my whole trip, so that was nice. I'm just adding a little more of that hot pink shade here to blend this black out in the outer part of the eye. I want it to be more up here. Next, I'm gonna be using the Hit the Road liner by Dose of Colors, which is this shade right here. This one's a little bit more berry than the shade she used. Hers was a deeper plum, but this is what I got right now, so I'm gonna use this one. Using a Sigma Eyeliner E11 brush for this. I love the way she did the liner on her picture. It's very, like, I already feel like my eye is not snatched enough like hers is. Sometimes I wonder if it's like the model's eye that's doing that, or is that makeup? I need to know. I need to know if my eye just refuses to do that, like it's impossible for my shape to do that, or if it's makeup and I could do it, I just don't know how. She goes up like over here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Kat Von D Trooper liner and deepen it up a little bit. I think black looks just better on my eyes because this one's a little too red. I don't have like a deeper plum, so I'm just gonna go with this. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter. This is the Space Paste Mulholland glitter, a pinky color. I think I'm gonna go in with a finer glitter than this, actually. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the Urban Decay Catcall liquid glitter liner and apply it to the lid here. I like these glitter liners because it gives you a lot of control. And then I'm gonna pick up this Motives Cosmetic glitter in Jewel Pink before my eye dries up, and then I'm gonna press it. Working section by section with glitter is always a good idea. Yes, bitch. I'm taking my blending brush and just going over the edges and kind of like buffing them out. I'm actually going over some parts with this Space Paste Mulholland glitter because I just love this stuff. It is a little bit of a thicker glitter particle, but if you use it over a thinner one, it gives it a little dimension, and then it also just like gives you that extra sparkle. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe, clean up all this glitter. Time for lashes. I'm gonna go into this Ardell Wispes little collection because I feel like Wispes would be the most appropriate with this look. I don't wanna go too crazy on lash. This is a really good gift for somebody. It has every everyday lash you would possibly need. Ooh, double demi wispy? Oh, what? That looks kind of lit. I'm gonna apply my MAC Extended Play Mascara, which I have not worn mascara in forever. If I had naturally long, thick eyelashes, oof, I'd probably never wear falsies. I would just be living my life. I'm gonna apply the double demi wispies. A little House of Lashes glue up on there. This is a nice natch lash. Sometimes with these glitter looks, I just need something, but I don't want it to cover any of the glitter. And I'm pushing the lash up at the outer corner more because I want to keep with that shape, so just pushing this up so that everything angles cat eye like. Ooh, those are so easy to apply. My hair is drying, guys. Actually, sometimes I'll take the top part and I'll twist it all in a little bun, and sometimes that helps it dry a little bit better. I know this sounds a little bit ballsy, but I'm thinking about not doing foundation today because I haven't been wearing foundation and I just wanna see, like I kinda just wanna be J Kissa for a minute. Like just, let me do it. Let's try it. I'm not gonna do foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Magic Wand Liquid Concealer by Charlotte Tilbury really quick. If you guys don't watch J Kissa, she never wears foundation. And I wanna be that bitch, you know? Since I haven't worn it for so long, my skin has not had any like weird reactions. I haven't been breaking out, which is great. So I'm just gonna keep this pushing and see what happens. I mean, I'm putting a shit ton of concealer on, so there's that. I'm gonna blend that out with my BH Cosmetics fluffy little synthetic brush. And first, I'm gonna start by blending these edges and diffusing it into the rest of the skin. And then under the eye where you want more coverage, you just like more of a patting motion. The thing is, when I don't wear foundation, like my face does look a little bit paler than my body from time to time because I never put my face in the sun. So my body gets so much more tan than my face does. Whatever's left on my brush after I've put the concealer on, I'm just gonna kind of like swirl over any discoloration that I have. But I don't want concealer all over my face because then I'll look really pale. To add a little bit of color to my face, I'm gonna be using my Tom Ford shade in Illuminate in Intensity 01. I'm gonna use this deep shade right over here. And I'm gonna go in with a Koki Professional 620 brush. Make sure it's all really nice and blended, and where we're gonna add more color is with the liquid blush. That's where the life is gonna come back into our face. I love this NARS liquid blush. This is in the shade Luster, like Luster Lux. I'm gonna put it on the back of my Petri dish. This is my favorite brush to apply the liquid blush. It's the 110 foundation brush from Fenty Beauty. I really want to bring life back into my face, and the blush is just gonna do that for me. What I think is gonna look perfect over that is the BECCA and Chrissy collaboration. This is just like one of my favorites. You guys already know. It's the Hibiscus Blooms. I actually never look at the name of this. I just always use it. And I'm gonna apply that over the apples of the cheeks. Kind of like a highlight, but at the very top. And then just feather it out. Then I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Fuego, Dose of Colors Fuego, and I'm gonna just apply it just right here to give a little more glow. Because it's the holidays, we need glow. Down the bridge of the nose. Finishing off the eyes really quick because I haven't done that yet. I'm gonna pick up my Dose of Colors pencil brush, and I'm just gonna be picking up the hot pink shade mixed with the lighter pink shade and apply it to my lower lash line, outer corner, and bringing it all the way in. Gosh, this Sigma palette and the Dominique Cosmetics one are so pretty. Just like the pigments are really, really good. I'm gonna take Cherry Juice from the Kristen Dominique palette, and I'm gonna apply that on the outer part of my lower lash line here to deepen just this part up. Take a clean brush and just blend that out. My eye, I think, turned out a little bit more plum than it did pink, but it's okay. I really like the way this all looks. I'm gonna apply a little lower lash mascara, the MAC Extended Play. Oh, you know what I'm missing? An inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use the BECCA palette, the same highlight we used over the cheeks. I'm gonna apply that as my inner corner here. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury powder and just set the under eyes a little bit. And then right here on the sides of the nose where I tend to get oily. Everything else I just wanna leave nice and glowy, healthy. For the lip, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is the shade 979 from Dior, and it is a metallic shade. This kind of looks like my Beyonce look that I did. A little bit, I'm not gonna lie, now that I'm finished, I'm like, whoa. But it's not. It may look similar, but it's not. That is such a beautiful lip for the holidays. Wow. I'm gonna add a little bit of Fix Plus, just to blend any of the powders we did apply. All right, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This was inspired by Nikki Makeup. She's incredible. You guys are gonna thank me for following her if you don't already follow her. This is a perfect festive makeup look for the holidays because of the berry tones, the red tones. These palettes I used are amazing. It's a little bit of a different twist on a holiday look with like golds and stuff like that. So I really, really love this, especially these metallic lips. I did not think I was gonna love any metallic lips. I'm surprised I even have any left because I wasn't sure if I was ever gonna use them, but the vibes are right this holiday season for a metallic lip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Am I recording? She's recording. I love the holidays because glitter is always so much fun. My hair is a hot ass mess. Steven would disagree with me. He hates glitter with a passion. I'm gonna send him one of those glitter bombs one day. I'm gonna send him one of those for Christmas. That's what he has to look forward to.